May 1st, 2025 has been and continue to be a very transformational period in our lives. Why? Because we have started BLM, Best Life Ministries. Now, this institution has been started with two specific focus in mind. One is to position religious institutions across the world to prosper beyond tithes and offering. And secondly, is to empower their membership to understand the importance of earning beyond the single source of income. Now, the team behind this initiative are private equity firms like Global Capital Inc. and branding and marketing specialist entities like 10X Branding and Marketing LLC and Pitch Deck 101 LLC. Now, we're happy to bring this team together to focus on the body of Christ and to focus on the average man that can be inspired and empowered to achieve much more in life. So I want to say this to you, leaders across the world. In the event that you want to know more about how to position your brand to prosper using biblical principles, and the average person who wants to know how to position yourself to build wealth, leveraging biblical principles, I do encourage you to reach out to us at Best Life Ministry. We have a 1 year program that is going to be sponsored by the three entities I've just mentioned. So you're going to be given a full scholarship, fully sponsored, so as to ensure that you learn, apply, and you can master principles that can position you to come into your abundance. All right, do not hesitate. Reach out to us today. Be blessed and see you on the other side.